ang Diyos ang may-ari ng ating mga anak. Ano po? Hindi po natin pag-aari yan. Yan po yung regalo ng Diyos. Kaya dedicating your child or giving child back to God means you are acknowledging true ownership. Mas malapit po sila sa Diyos. Yan. Then pray for this child. No po? Ipanalangin po natin and then train this child. Baga tayo pong magulang ay inuubog po natin, no? Parang yung isang araw, no po? Inuubog po natin yung ating mga anak, tinuturuan po natin ng disiplina. Yan po yung ating mga anak.
What if we just do this our whole lives? Baby, we can try.
Macy, our rainbow baby, sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, mabuting bata, and sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay matupad mo. And si Mami at saka si Daddy nandito lang palagi sa'yo at sa iyong big sister to support you always and guide you. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And again, happy first birthday.
It's a good day. We got sunlight we can't chase. We can see where it takes us. Writing stories that shape us. It's a good time to find a little magic in the moonlight. All that we can discover.
Hello, Macy! Happy first birthday! Ang wish lang ni Lola sa'yo, magandang pangangatawan, lagi kang malusog at laging masaya, lumaki kang mabuting bata.
Made to run free. Days we'll remember with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure. Born for adventure.
Happy birthday, Macy, anak ko. Wish ko sa inyo ni ate mo, tumitigay yun ng may takot sa Diyos, magalang na anak. Sana paglaki nyo, ma-appreciate nyo ang ginagawa namin ni mami mo.
Happy birthday, Macy. At ang prayer ko sa iyo ay lumaki ka pa na may pananampalataya sa Panginoon. Sundin mo ang iyong mga magulang. I pray na darating yung araw na lalaki ka na naglilingkod sa
Born
Panginoon.
for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure. Born for adventure. It's a good day. We got sunlight we can't chase. We could follow the ocean. We could live in the moment. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember with the world to see.
Happy birthday, Macy! I hope na maging masunurin ka kay Mami at kay Daddy, and I hope na lumaki ka na sumusunod sa Panginoon. Yun lang. God bless. Happy birthday!